Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Eddie Walker and I'm part of a great no-pressure sales consultant staff here at Jackie Cooper Nissan. Here at Jackie Cooper we have a great selection of quality vehicles. I will be detailing these vehicles in individual videos. So if you are interested in new vehicles, certified pre-owned vehicles, or great pre-owned vehicles, stay tuned.
Okay everyone, so here we're going to review this 2017 SR Nissan Maxima. This is the Midnight Edition. This is one of our quality certified pre-owned vehicles. This is a one owner and it does have a clean Carfax. And the odometer just happens to be 885 miles below the market average. So considering this is certified, one owner, clean Carfax, you can purchase this vehicle with confidence and know you're getting a dependable, quality, pre-owned vehicle. Okay, so as we look at the interior, this is a leather vehicle with a cloth center, as you can see. So the very center will be cloth, but the outer edges of the vehicle will have quality leather. And obviously you're looking at a black interior on a black vehicle, as it is the Midnight Edition vehicle. Okay everyone, we'll start to look at the center console area in the front of the vehicle. As you can see, it looks great. You do have air conditioned and heated seats in this vehicle, and the Maxima will feature a sports mode, which is one of the more fun vehicles to drive in regards to sports sedan. You're not going to find a better value on the market. This vehicle performs great. It looks great, as you can see. You have tons of features on this vehicle. You have a Bose stereo system, as you can see. You have blind spot warnings, and you do have paddle shifters for those that want to have a little fun and drive this in manual mode. Great sports sedan. You do have a navigation system, and it's a quality one. You will have a backup camera. As you can see, it's pretty clear. And this does feature Apple CarPlay. Right now we don't have an iPhone connected, but as you can see, this vehicle does feature Apple CarPlay, which is a very cool feature to have on a vehicle if you own an iPhone. Okay, as we look at some of the features in the dash, we do have Bluetooth. This is where the directions for your navigation will show up. As we go through the screen settings, you can see this vehicle has quite a few features that you will find useful when driving this vehicle. We're going to show a few of them in the screen, which are driver assistance, blind spot. You have parking aids, which includes the backup cameras, and there are sensors on the front and rear of the vehicle. 3 sections on the front, 3 on the rear. You have your emergency braking, so it will stop if traffic abruptly stops in front of you and you don't notice it. This vehicle will apply brake pressure on your behalf, and it also has the tire pressure monitoring system. I've included a short list of some of the features that come with purchasing a certified pre-owned vehicle, as you can see. If you like an awesome looking sports sedans that performs great, come see me, Eddie Walker, here at Jackie Cooper Nissan, and let's test drive this car, this automobile, so you can see for yourself how well it performs.